Hello math learners! In this video, you are going to learn how to order real numbers. So let's begin. Ordering real numbers means arranging them in either ascending or descending order. There are two ways to arrange real numbers. The first way is using the number line, and the second way is without using the number line. First, let's discuss using the number line. Example number 1. Locate and plot 2 negative 3 over 2, square root of 2, and 3. First, let's draw a number line. Next, let's locate and plot these given numbers. Let's have 2. 2 is located this part of number line, so plot 2. Next, negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2 is just equal to negative 1.5 because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So that means this is just between negative 1 and negative 2. So if we are going to plot, it is located this part. Next, let's have square root of 2. Square root of 2 is not a perfect square, so we need to find the perfect squares before and after 2. We have 1 and 4. 1 is a perfect square before 2 and 4 is a perfect square after 2. Now, let's get the square roots. Square root of 1 or principal square root of 1 is 1. Principal square root of 4 is 2. So that means square root of 2 is just located between 1 and 2. So if we are going to plot square root of 2, it is located here. Now, let's proceed to the last number, which is 3. 3 is positive, so that means it is found on the right side of the number line. So let's plot. It's here. So this is now the arrangement of these 4 numbers on the number line. We have the first, negative 3 over 2, square root of 2, 2, and 3. And for descending order or decreasing order, we have 3, 2, square root of 2, and then negative 3 over 2. Now, let's have second example. Locate and plot negative 5, negative 1/2, square root of 20, and negative 3. Again, the first step is to draw a number line. Next, locate negative 5. Next, negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 is just a number between 0 and negative 1 because this is just equal to negative 0.5. So it is located here. Next, square root of 20. Square root of 20 is not a perfect square, so that means we will find the 2 perfect squares before and after 20. And these are 16 and 25. The square root of 16 is 4. The principal square root of 25 is 5. So that means square root of 20 is found between 4 and 5. So if we are going to plot square root of 20, it is located here. Next, negative 3. Negative 3 is found on the left side of number line and it's very easy to locate. So just plot directly, and this is now the arrangement of these 4 numbers on the number line. For ascending order or increasing order, we have negative 5, negative 3, negative 1/2, and then square root of 20. For decreasing order, we have square root of 20, -1/2, -3, and then -5. Now let's proceed to the second way of ordering real numbers, and that is without using the number line. How to arrange real numbers without using number line? Okay, to arrange the numbers easily, you can change the numbers into decimal forms. So that means we need to change the given numbers to decimal forms. Example number 3. Arrange the real numbers in ascending and descending order. We have 3.9, square root of 9, and -0.3. Okay, let's change these numbers to decimal form. Let's have first 3.9. 3.9 is already in decimal form, so let's just copy. Next, square root of 9. Let's get the principal square root of 9, and that is 3.0, or just 3. And then the -0.3, which is already in decimal form, so let's just copy. Now, let's arrange these numbers in ascending order or increasing order. So if we are going to arrange this in increasing order, we have the -0.3, this one, next followed by square root of 9, which is 3, and then followed by 3.9. And for decreasing order, we have 3.9, 3.9, square root of 9, and then -0.3. So these are now the arrangement of the given numbers. Okay, now let's proceed to the next example. Example number 4. Arrange the real numbers in ascending and descending order. We have 4/5, -0.84, square root of 25, negative square root of 36, 3.27, and then 18. First, let's change 4/5 to decimal form, and this is equal to 0.8 because 4 divided by 5 is 0.8. Next, -0.84, which is already in decimal form, so let's just copy. Then, the principal square root of 25, which is 5.0 or 5. It's okay if you will not write 0 here. Next, negative square root of 36, which is the principal square root of 36 is 6, but there is a negative sign, so this is -6.0 or just -6. Next, 3.27, which is already in decimal form, so that is 3.27. And then 18, which is 18.0 or just 18. Now, let's arrange them in ascending order or increasing order. Increasing order means from lowest to highest, from smallest number to biggest number. So, that is negative square root of 36, this one, followed by negative 0.84, followed by 4/5, followed by 3.27, followed by square root of 25, and then the last or the biggest, which is 18. Now, for descending order or decreasing order, that means from biggest to smallest or from highest to lowest. So, this is just equal to 18, followed by the square root of 25, followed by 3.27, followed by 4/5, followed by negative 0.84, and then negative square root of 36. So these are now the arrangement in ascending order and in descending order. So that's it for this video, my math learners. Again, always remember, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.